Want to check if your Nintendo Switch Lite touchscreen is working properly? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to test it step by step. Let's begin. Power on your Switch and go to System Settings. Scroll down and go to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down a bit and select Test Input Device. Choose Test Touchscreen from here. Follow the on-screen prompts and touch different areas of the screen. If the touches don't register or lag, note which areas are faulty. Press the home button to exit the test. Now for the results. If your screen test is fine, then all is good. If not, you can clean the screen because sometimes smudges, dust, or grease can cause input issues. Turn off your switch before cleaning and use a soft and dry microfiber cloth, no liquids. Also check for screen protector interference. A poorly applied screen protector can block touches. Personally, I recommend changing the screen protector after every year since protectors degrade over time. Glad this video helped you test your touchscreen. If you need any help, drop a comment below and I'll guide you.